we can apply some softener. I will also share the detail with you. This is not
Okay.
the concern.
Okay.
Because in the first culture, I am trying to reduce all the expenditure, all the additional expenditure. Our
Very,
focus, your
yeah.
all the input will be deployed on the harvest part so that you will get a good harvest and you will expand your operation.
Very good. Okay.
So as per your current farm setup, you can install 28 tanks and each tank capacity is 50 to 55K.
Okay. 50 to 55K water, you mean, or?
Yeah, 50 to
Okay.
55K liter water you can store in each tank.
Okay.
And this is a first figure. 1.2 meter is a height and 7 meter is the total diameter of this tank.
You mean 50,000 liter, right?
Right.
Okay.
And for installing this tank, for the base work, we need your input because first we will do that civil work so that we have a good base to stand up this tank.
Okay.
Because once we will put that volume of water, so our bottom soil will not be smooth and our tank will be unbalanced and lost
Mhm.
of thickness and loss of deviation in that water volume. So all the sludge will be stuck. That's why we need a proper slope like that in the second picture.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
6 to 9 inch and this is a central drain point. This is you can put 3 to 4 inch PVC piping
Okay.
so that here we will put one pipe to the central drainage, second pipe to this central drainage and 4 tanks is connected with one central unit to
Okay.
manage and to drain your water like
Mhm.
that 2.5 feet 2.5 feet 2.5 feet like a square box.
Mhm.
And we will install some uh, goalie wall here to drain as per our requirement. If we don't require, so we will use the same water in the entire culture and once we will harvest, so we will use the 30 to 40% same water in the next culture.
Mhm.
So this is the basic design. Before ordering any tank, just focus on the base work to install these tanks in our environment.
Yeah. The problem here that we don't have anyone who did the installation before for tanks like such these.
Right.
So I have a worker there in the farm, and they are very very good, and they can do whatever you ask them to do. But there is, as you said here, it should be in the center, and it should be. Um, I mean, there is a technical thing here,
Right.
so I don't
So
know. Either you draw something or do something. I don't know, or I can
no.
connect you with my foreman there, and he can talk to you. And I don't know.
Yeah. So I have a solution for that for all
Mm.
other projects like in India also in outside also. So
Mhm.
we will make a basic design and we have some basic video. So just share with that drawing and that videos your foreman person so that they can understand. After that we make a joint call so that you, we and these person they really work on
I
that form.
I
Yeah, please.
Yeah, I cannot hear you very good. Your
Right
sound
now,
is. Let me
it is
let me
audible.
try the. Yeah, yeah. It's.
Audible.
Cannot hear you. Your pause and come back again.
Okay.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, yeah. Your voice is audible.
Okay.
Shall I continue?
Just sorry.
Shall I continue
Yeah.
or shall I rejoin again?
If you can repeat what you was saying, I didn't hear anything.
Okay, okay, perfect. I am repeating my statement. Uh, First, I will share the proper design for the farm because this is a draft design so that you can understand, and I will share a complete design for that farm only for
Okay.
the 4 tanks and some pictures and some videos. So just go through that and share the same data with your foreman so that they can also understand. After that, we make a joint call what we exactly want and what they understand with that pictures and videos.
Okay. Okay. Very good.
Because this is not a very tough or very scientific, yes, but need some technical guidance. We will convey all the things they will easily understand. We will manipulate and correlate our day-to-day tasks so that they can easily understand and they can initiate the work, because all the
Okay.
planning, all the circulation, all the water depend on the base work. If we have some issue, we have
Yeah.
some concern, so our total project will be fail.
Yeah.
So I will share some pics, some videos so that just go through that and also share the same data with them. And after that, we can make another call and we also listen your point, our point, and we will conclude all the action plan.
Okay. Okay. Very good.
Perfect?
Very good. Yeah. Very good. Okay. There is one issue.
Yeah, please.
Um, I told you from the beginning that we have the scientific center in Kuwait.
Right.
They, let's say, they look for my project now. They are supervising the project
Okay.
as a government.
Okay. Perfect.
They support the project.
Okay.
Okay, so whatever information you are sharing with me, I am sharing with them,
Okay.
and we have to work as a team all together.
Perfect.
Tomorrow I have a meeting with them. They setting up the plan for this project.
Okay.
So once I finish the meeting, I will set up another meeting call with you to
Okay.
share with you all the information, and to let's say decide how is the things will go. I don't want to work with you and they have a different idea or different way to run this project, and
Okay.
I don't want them to work I don't want to work with them and you have a different idea to run this project. I want all of us to be in the same track.
Right.
Okay, it's good that we have this call today, and tomorrow I will have all the information as they informed me yesterday. They called me and we set a meeting for tomorrow. And
Okay.
as they informed me that they will provide me with all information for the next step, let's say, and so uh, we will go as one team.
Perfect. We are
Oh,
happy to.
very good, very good. Okay, so now I think the best thing now for next stage, it's to let's say provide the foundation for the tank and the piping and everything.
Right.
And regarding the equipment and everything, as I told you from the beginning, we don't have anything in Kuwait. So
Right.
I don't want to buy something from Kuwait. Maybe your people, they don't know about, or they didn't deal with it before. I want to buy all the machine equipment, even the pipe, everything. Something they are aware of, and they did use before and everything. So they will be familiar with it.
Right. So, sir, yes, as a consultant, I am happy to assist you. So most of the things like PVC, all the PVC work, all the groundwork, you have all the resources locally available. So this is not the issue. And
Right.
for the further, like tank setup, like chemical and all the supplement you required, like a root blower, like a venturi. So I will just, you will share your farm detail, your detail, so that I can directly generate an invoice on your name, so that you and our manufacturer directly work. I am taking the responsibility for this project,
Hmm.
but for the billing information and for the transition part, you and manufacturer directly involved. I am
Very,
giving the surety. You will
very good.
get it, so that because I am responsible for your project and I will take an initiative for that, you will get your product as per the quality, as per our commitment, and as per on time delivery. I will
Okay.
ensure for that, but for billing and all the parts, you and manufacturer, I am a middleman to connect
No.
on the same platform.
Okay. Okay. Very good.
So I
You
will
mean
ensure.
I will pay for them directly, right?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay. Okay. No problem. Very good.
Because all the billing and all the import export license, I will share both the information,
Yeah.
and I will ensure the regularity, your value of money, your, I want to reduce the cost, so that we will make a one more success story internationally.
Okay. Very good.
And
Okay. So
you have a doubt, and we have a put in a online market. So yes, fraud is there. So I will give the insurance for that. You will directly pay to the manufacturer, and you will get a good product on a lower price.
okay. Very good. Okay. So now, what do you suggest? What's our next step?
So, sir, our next step is we will go for the base plan. First,
Hmm.
we will work on a designing part where we will put our tank, because first around 10 to 15 or 20 days we need for a basic tank setup where
Hmm.
we will install our tank. So first we will communicate all the things to our vendor who will make that basic work on our farm.
Hmm. Do we need to wait until your people to be here in Kuwait, or we can go ahead and